Hey everyone, thought I'd give you a bit of a story for this morning and just like the realities of being a driving instructor and how your day can go really really quickly. So I had a test this morning at 8:20 in Carmarthen. Yeah, I was picking them up at 7 o'clock to have a bit of a drive around, a bit of a lesson before their test at 8:20. And then as we were driving to Carmarthen from their house, unfortunately we hit something. I don't actually know what it was. But it was something sharp enough to puncture my brand new front left tyre. It completely made a massive hole in the sidewall, and it went flat instantly. So there was no repairing it, unfortunately. It was fucked, to put it bluntly. Obviously we're on the way to test. Flat tyre, we're on the side of the road. I luckily have a space saver in the boot, but I don't have a full tyre. Now, if you know about driving tests, you can't do a driving test on a space saver. So I quickly changed the tyre as fast as I could, so that we could try and get to the test, because I was worried that we were going to run late. And trying to ring around garages to do an early morning tyre change, it just didn't happen that early. Basically, like everywhere you googled, whether it's ATS or Pacelli tyres, like one of the local garages, they're pretty much all open at about 8:30. Tried ringing a couple of them just in case someone was there, and there was just no answer. So we rang the test centre, informed them that we're probably not going to make it due to a puncture and that we have a space saver on. And like I said, you can't do a driving test on a space saver tyre. It's just one of the rules. So unfortunately, this test did not go ahead. So it was really gutting for this student. Yeah, so they managed to rebook another test like for 2 weeks time, so it's not the end of the world. I've told them I'll reimburse the price of the test fee because it wasn't really their fault. So it's not really fair for them to have to just fork out and pay for another test. So I said I'll reimburse that. But it's just, yeah, it's a harsh reality of learning to drive and just driving in general. Like, things can go wrong in your car really quick. But just make sure you're prepared. Like, even though I only had a space saver, I did have everything with me to change the tyre. Like, it only took a couple of minutes just to undo the bolts, jack the car up, swap tyre, do it back up. So it's a very handy thing to know. And I did make it a bit of a lesson. Like, I showed my student how to change the tyre. It was quite cold and dark and we couldn't really see what we were doing. So they did a great job at holding the torch for me. So appreciate that. But it's just, yeah, always try and make a light of something. Like, yeah, we had a flat tyre, they did miss their test, but we made it a good lesson of how to change a tyre and just the reality of what to do should something like that happen. Yeah, and like I said, their test is 2 weeks from now. So fingers crossed, I'll let you know how they get on once it finally comes around again. We'll have a lesson in between just to sort of stay on top of things, but yeah. Let me know your comments, let me know your thoughts. Have you ever had any horrendous like puncture moments, any time the car's broken down on you? Have you got any funny stories or crazy stories that happened on your driving test day that caught it like really close to the line, or did you miss your test for whatever reason? Cool, take care guys, in a bit.